Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes. So we are discussing acids and bases. That is our 7th class science lesson. Okay. So in the last videos, we discussed about how can we change an acid into base and a base into an acid. So how can we change? By adding excess amount of an acid to a base, we can change a base into an acid. Okay. The same way, by adding excess amount of base to an acid, we can change an acid into a base. అంటే మనము ఒక యాసిడ్ ఇచ్చి దాన్ని బేస్ లాగా చేంజ్ చేయాలి, మార్చాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? మనము ఆ బేస్కి ఎక్కువ యాసిడ్ కలపాలి. అప్పుడు అది బేస్ అనేటువంటిది యాసిడ్ లాగా మారిపోతుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఒక బేస్ని యాసిడ్ లాగా చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే కూడా దానికి ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో యాసిడ్ని కలుపుతూ ఉంటుంది, మనకి యాసిడ్ లాగా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ది టాపిక్ వి డిస్కస్డ్ ఇన్ ది లాస్ట్ వీడియో. ఓకే. సో బై యాడింగ్, so that means what we are doing here, we are mixing one acid and one base, correct or not? We are mixing one acid and one base. So by mixing one acid with one base in equal concentrations, so this reaction is called as the neutralization reaction. Neutralization, I was told to you in the last video. Neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization reaction? By adding an acid and a base which are in equal concentration, that reaction is called as the neutralization reaction. Okay. So we will discuss with the practical now. So give me one acid name. For example, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So this is the acid. Okay. So now tell me one base. Hydrochloric acid is the base. Tell me one acid. Tell me one base. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So what we are doing here? We are adding one acid and one base. I am writing here, this is acid and this is base. Hydrochloric acid is an acid, sodium hydroxide is a base. So we are adding acid and base. What is the symbol here? This is the plus. Plus means addition. Addition means adding. Correct or not? Kalapadam. What we are doing here? We are adding hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid ni sodium hydroxide ni kaluputunnam. So when we add hydrochloric acid, that means an acid, plus sodium hydroxide, that means a base, a reaction will be takes place. ఒక యాసిడ్ ని ఒక బేస్ ని కలిపినప్పుడు ఒక రియాక్షన్ జరుగుద్ది. ఓకే. సో a reaction will be takes place. So for the result of this reaction, so we will get one solution. Here what are the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide? When we add hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, we will get another new solution, that is called what? Sodium chloride. This is the new solution. So this is hydrochloric acid and this is the sodium hydroxide. By adding hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, we will get a new solution. The new solution name is what here? Sodium chloride. So this reaction is called as the neutralization reaction. Okay. So what is the end product here? Sodium chloride. So this sodium chloride is also called as the common salt. Sodium chloride also called as the common salt means daily we are using in our to preparation of the different types of curries and dishes, salt, we are using salt. So that is called as the common salt. So what is the chemical name of common salt? Sodium chloride. How the sodium chloride formed here? When we add hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium chloride, that is the common salt. Hydrochloric acid ఒక యాసిడ్, సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్ ఒక బేస్, ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపినప్పుడు we will get a neutral solution. That solution name is sodium chloride, that is also called as the common salt. So by this reaction we will understood, what we will understood, when we add one acid and one base we will get salts. We will get salts. ఒక యాసిడ్ని ఒక బేస్ని మనము రెండు కలిపితే ఏమొస్తున్నాయి మనకి? సాల్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, సాల్ట్స్. ఓకే, సో these are called as the neutralization reaction. So from the result of the neutralization reaction we are getting salts. Correct? We are getting salts here. So when we add an acid and a base, for these results we are getting another new solution. Correct? Another new product here. That means this acid and the base both are losing their naturality, both are losing their క్వాలిటీ. ఈ రెండు మనం యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు యాసిడ్ బేస్ రెండు కలిపినప్పుడు వాటి యొక్క న్యాచురల్ యాసిడిక్ నేచర్ అండ్ బేసిక్ నేచర్ పోతున్నది. సో ఫర్ ది రిజల్ట్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ వాట్? సాల్ట్స్. వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ వాట్? సాల్ట్స్. నౌ టెల్ మీ, సో వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ sodium chloride here. When we add hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, we are getting sodium chloride. This is a salt. This is a salt. So what is the nature of this sodium chloride? Tell me now. So we are adding one acid and one base. For the result we are getting sodium chloride. Okay, acid ని ఒక base ని మనం కలిస్తే sodium chloride వచ్చింది మనకి ఇక్కడ. So what is the nature of this sodium chloride? It is acidic or basic or neutral? Do you know? మరి టెస్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇది acidic నేచరా, basic నేచరా, న్యూట్రల్గా ఉంటుందా? How can we know? By using litmus paper. By using litmus paper we can find out the sodium chloride salt is acidic in nature or basic in nature or in neutral. Correct or not? For example, so we are taking sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is also write down as NaCl. NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride. So for example, so take sodium chloride solution in a test tube. Sodium chloride solution test tube lo తీసుకోండి. Now take one red litmus paper. So I am dipping red litmus paper. So when we dip red litmus paper into the sodium chloride solution, if the red litmus changes into blue color, what we can say? We can say the sodium chloride solution is base. I was told to you in the previous classes, you know, red litmus, when the red litmus changes into blue color, it shows base. For example, if I take blue litmus and dip it into the sodium chloride solution, so what happened? If the blue litmus changes into red color, we can say it is acid. ఒకవేళ బ్లూ కలర్ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ని మనము ఈ సొల్యూషన్లో మనం డిప్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఒకవేళ బ్లూ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ రెడ్ కలర్లోకి చేంజ్ అయితే we can say sodium chloride is an acid. For example, there is no change in the blue litmus paper and there is no color change in the red litmus paper. What we can say? Sodium chloride is the neutral solution. Blue litmus paper color change కాలేదు, రెడ్ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ కలర్ చేంజ్ కాలేదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు? సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ఈజ్ ది న్యూట్రల్ సొల్యూషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యాసిడిక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ బేసిక్. ఓకేనా? సో ఫర్ ది న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్స్ we are getting salts. What is neutralization reaction? By adding one acid and one base we will get salts. So this reaction is called as the neutralization reactions. Okay now, but all these are, that means what here? For example, see here, see starch and sugar. So these are also neutral solutions, neutral in nature, but starch and sugar are not salts. Correct or not? Starch and sugar are also neutral solutions, but they are not salt. That means all the salts are not neutral solutions. Okay, remember one thing. Okay, here, so this is about the neutralization reaction. This is about the neutralization reaction. So next one, fertiles. Next one is fertilizers. Fertilizers means eruvulu. Okay, you know urea, DAP, they are called as the fertilizers. So nowadays what happens? Nowadays the farmers are using excess amount of chemical fertilizers in their farmlands. Farmers are using excess amount of chemical fertilizers in their farming lands. వాళ్ళకి పొలంలో ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో కెమికల్ ఫెర్టిలైజర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ద కెమికల్ ఫెర్టిలైజర్స్ దే ఆర్ acidic in, some are acidic in nature and some are basic in nature. So chemical fertilizers are, some are acidic in nature, some are basic in nature. So by using excess amount of these chemical fertilizers, the land soil, the farming land soil changes into acidity or basicity. ఇట్లా ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో వాడుతూ ఉంటే ఆ మట్టి, పొలంలో ఉండే మట్టి అది యాసిడిక్ గానే మారిపోతుంది, లేకుంటే basic లాగానే మారిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. సో ఇఫ్ ద సాయిల్ చేంజెస్ ఇంటూ acidic or basic, so in the future we will not get the good yield from that soil. పంట ఎక్కువగా రాదు. So that is why it is most preferable to use organic manures nowadays. Organic manures means organic manures. Organic manures means సేంద్రియ ఎరువులు. So these organic manures are made with naturally available things. సహజంగా లభించే వాటితో తయారు చేస్తారు. లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నీమ్ ఆయిల్, వేప నూనె, నీమ్ లీవ్స్ పౌడర్, అండ్ కౌ డంగ్, ఆవు పేడ, కౌ యూరిన్, ఘీ. సో లైక్ దిస్, బై యూజింగ్ this one they can use, prepare the organic manure. So nowadays it is better to use organic manures instead of chemical fertilizers. Okay, chemical fertilizers kanna organic manures vadam చాలా important. Okay, so this is about the acids and bases. So what are the uses of acids, bases and some neutral solutions? Generally simple. First one, acids. Uses of acids. So we use lemon juice. So we are using lemon juice in making of pulihora, in other some dishes also. Lemon juice means, lemon juice contains what? Citric acid, lemon juice, citric acid. Lemon juice contain, we are using lemon juice means we are using citric acid in pulihora, like that. Correct or not? So for example, sulfuric acid. So we can use sulfuric acid in batteries లలో మనం sulfuric acid ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం. So like that, so many acids are there we are daily using in our daily life. So many. Give me one more examples. So for example, say hydrochloric acid, that is called HCl. Hydrochloric acid uses in the preparation of medicines. Like that, so many acids are using in our daily life. For example, we will see bases. Uses of bases. So in the last videos I was told to you, soaps, both bathing soap and detergent soap and soaps, they are having the what? Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. So in the preparation of soaps we are using sodium hydroxide base, potassium hydroxide base. Correct or not? So in the glass cleaners we are using ammonium hydroxides. Choline, like choline, ammonium hydroxide vaadam. Like that so many bases are using in our daily life. Okay, so these are the some uses of acids and bases. Okay, like that so many things are there. So this is about the acids and bases. So watch the videos once again and try to understand the lesson. Okay children, so thank you for listening.